English Talk Studio, where speaking English is easy, natural, and fun. I'm Lucy.
Hi, everyone. Hello, Lucy. It's so good to be here with you today.
Hi, Tom. You look really energetic today.
Yeah, I am. I always get excited when we talk about real-life situations. Things people actually use every day. How about you? How's your day going?
Oh, I'm great, thanks. A little nervous about today's topic, actually, because it's something that makes a lot of people nervous.
Exactly. But before we dive in, we should say hello to all our amazing listeners. And, remind you, if you're enjoying this podcast, please hit that like button right now.
Yes, and don't forget to subscribe to English Talk Studio and turn on notifications. We want to keep making more episodes like this for you guys.
Absolutely. And please share this with your friends or classmates who are learning English. Sharing really helps us grow the community.
Sharing is caring. Okay, Tom, are you ready for today's topic?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Today we're talking about introducing yourself in English when everyone is listening.
Ah, yes. That moment when the teacher says, "Okay, everyone, go around the room and tell us about yourself." Or, in a new job meeting. Or even in an online class with 20 people waiting.
Exactly. It's super common, but it can feel scary because, well, all eyes are on you. No pressure, right?
No pressure at all. But that's why we're here, to make it easy and natural. We'll practice together, share some tips, and do some real examples.
Perfect. So, where should we start? Maybe with the most common situation, a new English class.
Good idea. Imagine it's the first day of class. The teacher says, "Please introduce yourself, your name, where you're from, and why you're learning English." Lucy, you start. Pretend I'm the class.
Okay. Um, Hi, everyone. My name is Lucy. I'm from London in the UK. I, uh, I'm learning English. Wait, no, I already speak English. Bad example.
Exactly. Let's make it real. You be a student from another country.
Okay. Hi, everyone. My name is Lucy. I'm from Brazil. I live in São Paulo. It's a big, busy city, you know? I'm learning English because I want to travel and um, work in international companies. Nice to meet you all.
Great. Simple and clear. Everyone, notice how Lucy smiled. Even though we're audio, you can hear the smile in her voice. That's important, right?
Yes, smiling makes you sound friendly. Okay, your turn, Tom. Same situation.
Sure. Hello, everyone. My name is Tom. I'm from Canada, a small town near Toronto. I love nature. There are lots of lakes and forests. I'm here because I want to improve my speaking and uh, make new friends from around the world. Happy to be here.
Nice! You added a little personal detail about nature. That makes it interesting. People remember you better, I think.
Exactly. Don't just say facts. Add one small thing you like. It starts conversations.
True. Now, let's try a different situation. A new job or office meeting. The boss says, let's go around and introduce ourselves.
This one needs to sound more professional, shorter, more focused on work. Yeah.
I'll start. Hi, everyone. I'm Lucy. I'm the new marketing assistant. I have experience in social media and design. I'm really excited to join the team and, um, learn from all of you. Looking forward to working together.
Perfect. Professional, but warm. You said your role, experience, and something positive. My turn. Hello, team. I'm Tom. I'm starting as the project coordinator today. Before this, I worked in event planning for 3 years. I'm thrilled to be here and, you know, contribute to our projects. Nice to meet you all.
Great. Notice how we both said excited or thrilled. Positive words make a good first impression, don't they?
Yeah, and keep it short, 30 seconds to 1 minute. Nobody wants a 5-minute speech when 20 people are waiting.
Yes. Common mistake. Talking too long. People get bored and you get more nervous.
Another situation, online meeting or Zoom class. The microphone is on you. Everyone is muted, waiting.
This one is extra scary because you can't see reactions sometimes, you know?
True, but same rules. Let's practice. Lucy, introduce yourself as if we're in a big online English course.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Can you hear me okay? My name is Lucy. I'm calling from Pakistan today. I'm a graphic designer, and I'm learning English to communicate better with international clients. I love drawing and, um, traveling in my free time. Nice to meet you all. Hope we have a great course together.
Love it! You checked the sound first. That's smart for online. And you added hobbies. Good for making friends.
Thanks. Your turn.
Hi, everybody. Audio okay? I'm Tom, joining from Australia. I'm a software developer. I'm improving my English for conferences and team calls. In my free time, I play guitar and, go hiking. Excited to practice with you all.
Perfect. Now, what if it's a social situation, like a party or language exchange meetup?
More casual and fun, yeah.
Hi, I'm Lucy. I'm from Italy originally, but I live here now. I work as a teacher. I love cooking pasta, real Italian pasta, and watching movies. What about you?
Nice. You asked a question at the end. That keeps the conversation going. My turn. Hey everyone, I'm Tom. Moved here from the US a few years ago. I'm into sports, big football fan, and trying to learn the local food. What's your favorite thing to do here?
Yes! In social situations, end with a question. It feels friendly, you know?
Great tip. Now, let's talk about when you're nervous. What to do when everyone is listening and your heart is racing.
First, breathe. Take a slow breath before you start. It calms you, really.
Yes, and prepare a simple structure in your head. Name plus from plus job/study plus one interesting thing plus positive ending.
Exactly. Practice in front of a mirror or record yourself. It helps a lot, trust me.
Also, it's okay to make mistakes. Everyone is learning or has been nervous before. Smile and keep going.
True. And remember, they're listening because they want to know you, not to judge.
That's a good mindset. It's an opportunity, not a test, you know?
Okay, let's do a longer role play. Imagine a big class, 30 people. Teacher says, Introduce yourself and say one goal for this year.
I'll be the teacher. Go ahead, Lucy.
Hi, everyone. My name is Lucy. I'm from Spain. I live in Madrid with my family. I'm a university student studying business. My goal this year is to speak English confidently in meetings. I'm a bit shy, but I'm excited to practice here. Nice to meet you all.
Wonderful, honest, and relatable. Now me. Hello, class. I'm Tom. Originally from India, now living in Dubai. I'm a sales manager. My goal for 2026 is to travel to an English-speaking country and use my English every day. Looking forward to learning with you.
Love the specific goal. Makes it memorable.
Yes, goals are great to add.
Another common situation? Job interview. But just the introduction part.
Very formal. Lucy, you be the interviewer.
Good morning, Tom. Please tell us a bit about yourself.
Good morning. Thank you for having me. My name is Tom. I have 5 years of experience in customer service, most recently as a team leader. I'm passionate about helping people and solving problems. I'm excited about this opportunity because your company values innovation and, I believe my skills can contribute to that.
Excellent. Focused on experience and why this job.
Yes, in interviews, connect to the company.
So many situations. Let's recap the main tips.
Sure. Structure. Start with name and basic info. Add where from, job/studies, one personal detail or goal. Keep it 30 to 60 seconds. Smile, breathe, end positively.
And practice different versions. Class, work, social, online.
Most important, be yourself. People like real people.
Absolutely. English learners, now it's your turn.
Yes! Go to the comments and write your own introduction. For example, Hi, I'm name. I'm from place. I like hobby. My goal is something.
Or just one sentence. We read every comment and love learning about you. It's great practice.
And if you enjoyed today's episode, please like, subscribe to English Talk Studio, and share with friends.
Thank you so much for listening.
It was a fun chat, Lucy.
It really was. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Keep practicing.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.